Hello everyone, welcome to Sanmarga classes. Here, extract and extract is given. Okay, so on that, the three questions are asked. It carries 3 marks. Let us see the extract. I can't pay you a penny. ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪೈಸಾನು ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋಂಥದ್ದು. Okay, 3 questions are there below this sentence. You have to answer those 3 questions. First one, who said this? ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು? Sanju Sahu said this. To whom did he tell this? ಇದು ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು? He told this to Algu Chaudhary. Algu Chaudhryಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. I can't pay you a penny. When he said this, Bullock sold by Algu was dead. So Algu Chaudhary ಸಂಜು ಸಾಹುಗೆ ಮಾರಿರುವಂತಹ ಎತ್ತು ತೀರಿ ಹೋಗಿತ್ತು. It was dead. And so Sanju gave this answer when Algu asked for money. So ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಲ್ಗು ಹಣವನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೋ ಅವಾಗ ಸಂಜು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, I can't pay you a penny ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. Okay, thank you.